morning children. Today we are going to see one interesting topic in mathematics which is putting together. Shall we move on to the topic children? Look here, Gia and Ria has helping a farmer collect eggs. Gia collects 5 eggs and Ria collects 3 eggs. Who is Gia here? She is Gia and she is Ria. Both are helping a farmer to collect the eggs, okay? Now, help the farmer put all eggs together into his basket. Number of eggs that Gia collected. Gia collected 5 eggs. So, we have to put the number 5 here. Okay? 5. Number of eggs Ria collected. Ria collected 3 eggs. So, we have to draw the number of eggs in the basket. 1, 2, 3. 3 eggs Ria collected and 5 eggs Gia collected. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shall we add it? Total number of eggs put together in farmer's basket. We have to count the number of eggs in the basket, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. The total number of eggs is 8. Okay? Do you understand? Putting together is nothing children. It is adding 2 numbers or 3 numbers together. Okay? That is called putting together. Look at the given exercise. Shekhar is feeding 2 birds. Shekhar is feeding 2 birds. 3 more birds fly down and join to them. Shekhar is feeding 2 birds. 3 more birds fly down and join them. Now, there are 5 birds for Shekhar to feed. Okay? We have to count the birds by the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 2 birds put together with 3 birds and make 5 birds. We count forward to find the total. We have to find it forward. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Look here, Jimmy has 2 biscuits. Jimmy has 2 biscuits. His brother gives him 4 more. How many biscuits does Jimmy have now? Count forward to find the answer. First, Jimmy is having only 2 biscuits. His brother gave 4 biscuits to him. Okay? Shall we count it forward? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, Jimmy has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The total number of biscuits is 6. A garland has 4 flowers. Anu add 3 more flowers to it. Okay. What is garland children? This one is garland. Garland has only 4 flowers at the beginning. Anu added 3 flowers more. Okay. Now, count it. How many flowers are there in garland? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Are there more flowers in the garland now? Yes or no? The answer is yes. Because Anu added 3 more flowers to the garland. Okay. Look, there are some boxes are given here, right? There are 3 blue boxes are given here and how many yellow squares are given here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 3 blue squares and 5 yellow squares. Okay. So, we have to put 3 and 5. How many total number of squares given here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. The answer is 8. Here we use the symbol plus. Plus is the symbol of addition. Okay. When we have to add 2 numbers, you should add the plus sign here. Use the color squares given at the end of your studio to add the given numbers. An example has done for you. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Okay. Shall we do the exercise? Now we have to use the abacus to find the answer. The first one is 8 plus 1. We have to count the bead 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. So, we have to find the answers easily by bead counting. Okay. Shall we find out the answer in one more method? 5 plus 2. Look here, you have to fix the first number 5 in your mind. Okay. 5 in your mind and 2 in your finger. What is the next number after 5? 6 and 7. So, 5 in the mind, 2 in the fingers, 5 after 6 and 7. The answer is 7. Look at the third sum. 4 plus 4. We have to put together 4 plus 4. Okay. 4 in the mind, 4 in the fingers, 4 after 5, 6, 7 and 8. Look here. 2 plus 7. 2 in the mind, 7 in the fingers. Okay. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, 2 plus 7 equal to 9. 1 plus 9. 1 plus 9. We have to put one bead and we have to put one more 9 beads. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just count how many beads are here. 1 plus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 1 plus 9 equal to 10. Shall we do the next sum? 3 plus 1. We have to put 3 beads first. 1, 2, 3 and one more bead. We have to plus one more bead. So, 1. The answer is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is 4. Okay. Shall we do the exercise? Anjali has 3 frogs. Her parents buy 2 more frogs to her birthday. How many frogs does she have in total? Anjali has 3 frogs and their parents buy 2 frogs to her birthday. The total number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The total number is 5. 3 plus 2, 5. We easily count the number and find out the answer. One more method is 3 in the mind and 2 in the finger. So, 3 after 4 and 5. Draw an object and add the given numbers one has done for you. 6 plus 3. Okay. We have to draw 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 3. 6 plus 3. We have to draw one more object. So, the answer is 9. 2 plus 4. We have to draw 2 objects. And 4. We have to draw 4 objects. So, the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 plus 4 equal to 6. 1 plus 9. 1 in the mind, 9 in the fingers. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 1 plus 9 equal to 10. 7 plus 2. 7 in the mind and 2 in the fingers. 7 after 8 and 9. The answer is 9. Is this easy for you children? Okay. Mani has 4 toy cars. Abhi wants to play but has no toy cars. Mani shares his toy cars with Abhi. How many toys do they have together? Mani is having 4 toy cars and Abhi has having 0 toy cars. The total number of cars is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 0. 0 has no value. So, the answer is 4. Jo's plant is flowering. She collects flowers from the plant every day. She writes the number of flowers in her diary. On Monday, 1 flower. On Tuesday, 3 flowers. Okay. Are you able to see this? 1 flower. On Tuesday, 3 flowers. On Wednesday, no flowers. Okay. So, they put 0 here. Okay. On Thursday, there are 4 flowers or flowering. By Thursday, her plant was given her totally 1 plus 3 plus 4. Shall we do it with abacus, children? On Monday, only 1 flower is flowering. So, we put 1 bead. On Tuesday, there are 3 flowers are flowering. So, we put 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. On Wednesday, there was no flower was flowering. So, we put 0. 0 has no value. So, we didn't put any beads here. Okay. On Thursday, there are 4 flowers are flowering. So, we put 4 beads. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Shall we add it together? 1 plus 3 plus 0 plus 4. We have to count the beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, 1 plus 3 plus 0 plus 4, which is equal to 8 flowers. Is this easy to you, children? Okay. Hope you understood the topic. Do it in your home. Thank you.